Most respected, Venerable Shankaracharya Ji, Jagadguru, we are fortunate that this session, he has blessed the occasion. I won't take much of time considering the time constraint, but nonetheless, on the onset, I thank the chairman, the organizing committee of the Finns, who has given me a chance to speak on this occasion. I feel very fortunate and delighted. At the same time, I thank the learned speakers at the dais. They spoke all their problem encompassing the entire country, north, south, east, and west. The Mizo problems, the Mao problems, the Atangwadis, and Jammu and Kashmir, including, of course. I want to give a brief introduction of myself. I come from Ladakh. I'm a doctor surgeon by profession, but at the same time, we run an organization. Our ideology is same as Finns. We do so many social activities, human service activities, ethico-spiritual activities, but at the same time, we are focusing our attention for national integration. We arrange everywhere, twice or thrice, faiths inter-religious conference in our locality. And in fact, now we see the civilization now we are facing is we are tangled in a very different situation at the junctions, religious intolerance, fundamentalisms, extremism, and even economic disparities, and even scientific extremism too. But we are in India, we face the most problems in national security. All the speakers spoke very well at this occasion. I am highly delighted. But don't forget, there's only speaking on the dais like this is not going to solve our problems. We have to give different type of armories, different means and method, the spiritualism, the economic empowerments, education empowerments, and all those. But so far we are concerned, we do the spiritual ideology. We conduct seminars, all the spiritual fields internationally, all the heads of the spirituality. We know every religion has got a different terminologies, different interpretations, different customs, different cultures. But at the same time, when you come to the conversion point, there's love, affection, compassion, fraternity, and friendship, for which all of us should combine together by involving the spiritualism. Spiritual gurus, they must give teachings and we must disseminate it to the entire public. Thereby, there are problems, you say, economic problems, regional problems, geographical problems everywhere. But forgetting all that, we should be grateful to the great country, India. Because through this medium of this India from the soil, the many greatest religions of the world have emerged. Many great religions have been displayed, including Islam, disseminated at the farm footing in this country. We are grateful to the country, and the security of this is very essential. I thank all the learned audience for their patient hearing. The time is short, so I thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.